This is my default meal prep when I'm trying to keep things low calorie, high protein, and keep me full for longer. Chicken and potato with a bit of teriyaki. Full cost breakdown and macros at the end. So you're probably wondering why I had bicarb here. And this is one of the hacks I use in my meal prep. As we know, chicken breast can get a little tough, especially when you meal prep it. But we're gonna make it just like the Chinese restaurants, but without all the extra calories. Finely slice in the bowl, fill with water and bicarb, and we'll let it sit before we cook. Now mix it up, just let it sit, and we'll sit in about half an hour. $5 meals for a week.